So now what we're going to do is actually simulate a failover. So if we notice, if I select my host.43, we have all of our roach machines. There's activity going on in the background. What you're seeing here is the Atlantis appliance. And what I've done is I logged in, ran a dstack command to look at the load, CPU, and time as well. Then in the background, we also have desktop 1, and it has Microsoft Word running, and it's running a script opening up applications, closing applications, and so forth. So that all of my appliance as well as my desktops are residing on host 43. And on .57, that is my pre-designated failover host. And if you noticed, there's absolutely nothing running on it as of right now. So what we're going to do is simulate an actual failover or a disaster. So let's say power supplies, you get flooding, whatever the case is, you lose a host. So I'm going to simply reboot this host. It's going to give me a message saying it's not in maintenance, and that's fine. I'm going to hit yes. And I'm going to not even put in a reason. And what you'll see here is after typically in an HA event, typically after 2 or 3 minutes, vCenter detects there's a failure. It's running all its consistency checks, and things will go carried out. And as you can see here now, the desktops become available, and they will begin the reboot process. As you can see now, the desktops are starting to restart, and with any desktop, the first thing it's going to do is validate that the desktop is okay, and it goes through its own consistency checks. And you'll see desktop 1, now it's starting. It says Windows error recovery, didn't shut down successfully, and you could actually select to run safe mode or start Windows normally. And the default is to run start Windows normally. And what you'll see now is all the desktops will come back up and running, and you're pretty much done. So very straightforward, extremely easy. You're leveraging the technology that you currently have in place with very minimal hardware investment. So this concludes our session. Again, suggestions are welcomed, and please let us know what you think. Thank you.